Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Vienna, Austria, and I'm going to go up in the North Tower. And this is what the North Tower looks like, and it cost $7 to do the North Tower. So I'm going to go up and see the tiles on the roof and take a look around and all that kind of stuff. But while I'm sitting here, I thought I'd turn the camera around and show you the rest of the church. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, it's really cute, and it's certainly big, and I'll come and do a video of just this place eventually. But I want to do the North Tower while it's it's a little sunny right now. It's supposed to rain, and so I figure I might as well jump on it and see what I can see. It's certainly a huge church. It's certainly magnificent in so many ways. Wow, wow. Very cool. Okay, I'll be back. Let me go get a ticket and I'll get inside. €7. Okay. And you can buy a combination ticket for $27.50 or something, which seems crazy to me, but then you get to the catacombs and stuff. So, okay, bye-bye. Okay, everybody, I'm waiting for my turn, and there's an elevator that takes you to the top, and so I'm waiting on that. So, oh, it looks too full. Anyway, but pretty interesting. So it's €7 for the North Tower, and that's the bell tower and everything else. So, very cool. Okay, bye, everybody. Okay, everybody, so you take the elevator. It's really a quick little elevator ride, and then you get to the top of this place, and then you get to really see the tiles and the close-ups. Tell me that's not staggering. Look at those tiles. I'm going really slow. Somebody yelled at me for doing a video and said I was too fast and they couldn't enjoy the pictures because it was too fast. So I'm going very slow. And here on the left we have tiles. Pretty tiles. Not that I'm sarcastic at all, but anyway, the roof is pretty amazing, and from the ground it looks even more amazing. Is that incredible? So you can see Vostro Church over there, the two towers. That's Vostro. I've been to that one. I think I've been to everything here already. But you can see how far down it is to the ground. It's pretty far. Pretty amazing. I'll trade you places. Danke, thank you. Wow. And I love that tower. That tower is just amazing too. And I don't know that you can get up there to it, but it's certainly amazing. Incredible.
What country? Australia? But similar to
Pardon me. So the design, so let's look at this tower too. It's pretty amazing too. We already showed you that one, and I showed you this. But the design on this wall, or on this ceiling, look at this. Are they chickens or I don't, maybe not chickens, maybe eagles? But again, the tiles are the thing that are amazing. Crazy, crazy. Let me go over here and look down. Wow. 1950 is when this roof was done, I think. Wow. Because that's a rooster up on that little thing up there. You see it up there? So are these roosters too? Maybe I was right. Maybe it's not an eagle. Caw, caw, but a brak. Look at the city. Oh, and the square looks pretty amazing too. This is the other side of the square. Oh, somebody's singing. And there's Prater. If you can see the Ferris wheel over there, that's the oldest Ferris wheel in the world. And they had a guy in like 1932 or something ride a horse around it. I don't know how that all happened, but I saw it on one of the top 10 things to know about Prater, and I'm going to go there. That's on my list of things to see. So, pretty staggering. Cool. Onward and upward. And there's the bell here, inside of here. Let me see if I can get up to where I can block that. There we go. That's a little better. And does it say anything about it? I don't speak German, so I can't read it either. 1711, whatever happened then, and so my camera is stopping, and I wonder if it's because my SIM card needs to be formatted. I haven't done it in a long time, so now I don't know what you've seen and what you've missed. So I guess I'll go back up the stairs just in case. Ugh, darn it. I guess I'll have to work on that for later this evening. Of a view. Alright, well, I hope I haven't captured everything like twice, but I can't tell where it stopped and where it started, so as it is. Did I capture all of these things for you guys? Cool. I wonder if I can get over here and get this whole picture. Cool. Okay. I think that's it for me, everybody. Pretty neat. I love the little windows too. I think they're really kind of cute. And that's where I'm going to end the video. Bye, everybody.